This is Sophie.
Hi.
So we're going to drive off like normal. Right turn after that car, and we're going to cut through the country area into Bletchley.
Okay.
So when you're ready. Weather's not very nice, is it?
Nope. That's okay.
So go right shoulder. There you go. Nice, well done. What do you reckon? You keep it in first or go second?
Where are we turning?
A right turn there.
Okay.
Should we keep it first?
Yes. If that's right.
That's fine, yeah. Back to your side.
Oh, right, yeah.
That's it, stick to your left side, and then you've got more space on your turn then. This is a bit narrow, isn't it?
Yeah.
So just try not to cut to the corner. You've done a nice one a few minutes ago, haven't you?
Yeah. Oh, there's a branch there. Should I have missed that?
So we've got a second gear now.
Okay.
Yeah, the last few lessons when you've been out, it's been like this, hasn't it?
Yeah,
like...
I was thinking that every time, every other day it's fine. But...
And then an hour before your lesson starts, everything's open.
Yep, every Thursday.
Well, it's not always going to be like this. It's going to be getting warmer in the next few months.
It's much more.
So we'll be like, get rid of our hoodies and our jumpers.
Yeah.
They're getting good wear of them the past few months, haven't we?
Oh, yeah. The last like 9 months.
When we get to Bletchley, we'll pull over before the level crossing.
Okay.
And we'll talk about the double roundabout ahead of us.
Do you think the level crossing is going to be down this time?
Are you open for that?
Yeah, every time. Oh, what's the speed limit here?
What do you think it is?
30?
Yeah, 30.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nice.
30 at the moment.
Okay, obviously I didn't see a sign that said that, I just guessed.
Every time you want to pull out, check your right mirror, make sure no one's trying to go past you.
Also, some guy went across.
And what was that? What do the signs mean ahead of us? 2 signs.
The road bends in. Like,
yeah, it's a one lane, yeah. And the circle one, what's it telling you?
That they have priority.
Yeah.
Coming towards us.
You're going to be good at your theory test, aren't you, soon?
Yeah. I passed it the week before last week.
Did you?
Yeah.
You saw me?
Yeah, I did. It was very recent. Like, really recent. I think that's why I still remember, like, yeah.
I completely forgot then.
Yeah, I passed it very recently.
That's probably why you're getting all your signs right, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just crammed in my brain now. Except, I don't know, I need to stay on top of it because the second, it's like, you know, when you do your GCSEs,
yeah.
And then the second you do them, it leaves your brain. I need to actually stay on top of it.
That's right. So you've got to keep on top of the signs.
Yeah.
Otherwise,
you're going to forget.
You're going to forget them.
Yeah, yeah, because it is like when you do your exams and your brain just kind of wants to get rid of it all.
Yeah. So we've got a sign saying left bend, isn't it? Mm-hmm. And then see on the bend where they painted it red, or it's red tarmac.
Yeah.
It's because it's a sharp bend, and they're just making it a bit more aware that it's dangerous because you can't see around the corner. So it's kind of, when they put red paint on the ground, it kind of highlights a bit more danger.
That makes sense. Well, yeah, I don't like this bit actually. I can't see.
That's why you go a bit slow, don't you?
Yeah.
And then see it's being
the
bin
bin's
day.
Sticking out.
Sticking out, yeah. You binned it, didn't you?
Yeah. I remember last time.
Yeah. And then, because it's going uphill, a bit more power.
Okay.
Quick check what's happening behind you at the same time. Just in case anyone's behind you.
So you know how you have to slow down for the bumps?
Yeah.
What happens if they're on a hill?
Well, you just come off the gas, let the hill slow you down. And if it's slowing down enough, a little bit more power to help, it'll be ill.
Okay.
You know, because if you come off the gas completely, you're going to stop, aren't you, on the hill?
And you're going to roll backwards.
You're going to stop on that speed bump.
Ew.
So you just got to kind of put a bit of power on to keep it at a safe speed to go over it. So these ones are about 10 miles an hour, aren't they?
Yes.
That's it. See how smooth it was.
Yeah.
And even some of them at 10 mile an hour, it feels like it's not enough.
Daffodils are really sad.
What? Because it's raining.
Yeah, they're like falling over.
I know. Have you got a favourite flower?
I like daisies.
Daisies.
Yeah, my favourite. I like daffodils too though, because they remind me of my birthday. Because on every like calendar, March.
What's the speed limit at the moment?
40. No, it's turning into 40.
So, it's
30.
yes.
Yeah.
I bet you're thinking I was trying to trick you then, wasn't I?
Yeah. I knew it. I just needed a moment.
So even though it's saying 40, we've got to be a bit careful around this road.
Yeah.
Because it gets flooded sometimes.
Oh yeah, like last time.
So we can go a little bit quicker than what we're doing, but we don't want to do 40.
No.
So we've got to be what's appropriate for the condition. So are you talking maybe 30? Because there's going to be maybe some flooding.
Yeah.
And it might be mud on the ground.
Yeah. Was this where we went last time when it was like...
It was, yeah.
Yeah.
The other week when it flooded in the middle, wasn't it? And it's just, sometimes you can't tell. I mean, if it's a heavy downpour, it gets flooded.
Yeah, I feel a bit uncomfortable going much faster.
Yeah. Well, like I say to lots of people, as you improve your driving and you get better at things, you're going to be a bit more confident at going a bit quicker.
Ooh, yeah, maybe.
You will do. It'll come. But driving in this sort of weather is not nice. See the curb sticking out?
Oh, yes.
Because it kind of went from having no curb to a curb that was about 3 inches into the lane, wasn't it? So we've got signs coming up. You okay with the signs?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Yes.
So it's traffic lights
and bumps. Yeah.
Bumps, yeah.
And more set.
Yeah.
Another set.
So the lights are on red. What do you think might happen?
They're turning green.
So should we put a little bit of power on?
Yes. Oh, whoops.
Bit more power to go up the hill. Now as you go over the hill, over the hump, it goes to the right. And then as you go over the top of the hill, it slowly goes to the left, doesn't it?
Yeah.
So it's got to stay in your lane to avoid the curbs.
Yeah, okay.
That was easy, that wasn't it? And it went out. The lights turned before we got there, so it's even better. The last time we went through there, it stopped, didn't it?
Yeah. And then
start.
some guy was like, came shooting up to the traffic light there.
I did. After these 2 cars, can we pull over on the left?
Okay.
Check your mirror to pull out.
Oop, I should have signaled.
And then we're going to pull up on the left here. Maybe just before the silver car. Okay, so you got the level crossing ahead of us. And we've got the double roundabout. I can't remember. Did last week go for a double roundabout or did we go round it?
I don't know.
I think we went round it, didn't we?
We've
avoided this bit.
Yeah.
I think we might have come back the other way. So I'll just show you the quick picture of the double roundabout then, just so you know what to expect. When I can find it, that is. There we go. So what we've got here then is, as we approach it, we've got 2 roundabouts together. We're going to go ahead on both of them, give way to right on the first one, and the second one's right in front of you. So you're giving way to cars who are on you directly in front of you who are turning right. They'll have the signals on.
Okay.
Got that?
I think so.
Did you give way to the first one?
The ones that are coming right.
Yeah. And then the second one?
The ones that are turning right.
One's turning right, yeah.
Okay.
That's it. So you could end up being there for a few minutes, or it might be.
Could you get stuck in the middle? Or?
Well, what you can do is you can enter the first roundabout if it's clear, and stop at the second one for the cars turning right.
Okay.
So you could be sat on the first roundabout, waiting to go through the second one.
Okay.
Which is a bit weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
Ready to go for it?
All right.
And if you're lucky, you might get the level crossing coming down.
Oh, I really hope so.
Oh, that's it. There it is. Hold it there. Remember, look round. That was a nice pull off, wasn't it?
Better than the previous ones today.
Well, like I keep saying to you, as your lesson goes on, you get better and better.
Yeah, I just start off terrible.
You don't start off terrible. You start off feeling rusty.
Yes, very. Forget how to drive.
Remember, check your mirror to pull out. Make sure no one's trying to go around you.
Not at the minute.
See the car coming towards us?
Yeah, should I wait?
Yeah, you slow down, he'll be out your way, won't he, then?
Yeah.
If there's a few cars, we could always wait before the car parks in front of you.
Yeah.
Check your mirror to pull out, remember?
Sorry.
You're checking to make sure no one's trying to go around you.
Yeah.
Should we build a bit of speed up? Because that level crossing's not going to come down, is it?
No.
You're taking your time and open for that, aren't you?
Maybe. Probably should have waited till I got off that to change again. Sorry.
So where that guy is on the left, there's a roundabout sign. See it?
Yes.
So we're going to go ahead. So ahead for us
Oh.
is directly in front of you.
Yeah.
Where the White House is, or the church. We just got to give way to the right on the first one, where the cars are coming down, and the second one, cars turning across us.
Wait, so how am I doing this?
So you check to your right. Is the first giveaway line there? Come on. Is it clear on your right?
At the minute, I can't see anything.
So it's clear in it.
Yeah.
Second one's clear. So carry on.
Okay, so just go ahead.
Yeah.
Yep, okay.
That's it. You were looking, nothing was there, was there?
No.
So in the last second, as you're about to enter, it's still clear. You go.
Okay.
You got to speed down nice for it.
Okay.
Did it feel okay?
Yeah.
A bit scary?
Yeah.
The more you do it, the more you get used to slowing down for it. And I'm hoping next time we end up stopping.
Okay.
So you can experience stopping and moving off at the double roundabout. Are we looking good to go?
No one's crossing.
At the mini roundabout ahead of us, we're going to do a right turn.
Right.
See the blue sign?
Yeah.
A right turn there. A bit more gas. And a right turn. Signal. Right lane.
I know I'm forgetting everything.
And just keep it nice and straight to go ahead on this one.
So going right.
I'm going to go right, yeah. That's it. That's it. Well done. You carry on.
Absolutely miserable weather.
It is, isn't it? I mean, like I said, one day you're going to come in your car, it's going to be sunny.
I really hope so.
Then you're going to complain that it's too bright for you.
I can't wait for that day.
At the roundabout, we're going to go ahead, straight on, second exit. So check that it's okay on your right. If it's okay, we're going to enter.
Where's the roundabout?
It's just this bit here.
Oh, right, yes. It looks like an island.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fine.
Like, there's no sign.
Yeah.
It's been run off with the sign, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Bit more gas. Nice, clear road. What gear should you use? Third, yeah.
Oh, the person's got their door.
Give them a little bit of space.
Please don't walk in front of me. Okay, good. Oh, are they gonna? Yeah.
Is they crossing? Have a look at them. They are,
Yep.
aren't they? So, clutch it, yeah. Get up to the flash line. Get yourself into first gear while you're waiting. And then you're ready then. Let's get going. Gas and bite. There's your gas. There's your bite. Well done. Excellent. That's nice. Okay. Let's build a bit of speed up, Sophie. Get that gear done.
Ooh, okay, yeah.
At the end of the road where that blue car is, there's a mini roundabout there.
Okay.
You can just see the sign where that white car's reversing.
Mhm.
We're going to do a left turn at the mini roundabout.
Well, the guy's reversing.
Yeah, where he's reversing off a path there, I think. We're going to go left at the mini roundabout. Who'd you give way to?
The right.
The right, yeah.
Yeah. It all kind of looks the same around here.
Big turn, big turn. That's it.
That was very close to a stall.
Yeah, you were kind of staring at the traffic on your right then, weren't you?
Yeah, I was worried.
Now,
Oh,
don't worry about him. You can see his car.
yes.
We're going to go round to the right to the bend. You don't need to signal. We're just going to stick to your left side, following it round. If he did pull in front of you, what could we do?
Stop.
Yeah, brake clutch. Yeah.
Oh, this is where all those people kept walking in front of us last time, wasn't it?
A left turn, please.
Okay.
Yeah, last time. I can't remember what happened now, but I'm sure you can.
Yes, I can remember.
Is it clear to go past?
Oh no.
Is it clear now?
Yes. I couldn't. Oh.
Go on.
Oh.
So what are you thinking?
I wasn't looking at that particular bit.
Left turn.
Okay. I couldn't see him.
See this person here, they might cross over.
Yeah, he's going to cross over.
So just cover your brake as you're turning, keeping your left side. If it's starting to struggle when you straighten up, you could go to first gear.
Is this a dead end?
It's a car park.
Oh.
Let's go. So we're going to go to first gear now.
Okay.
That's it, into first. And then lift the clutch slowly. And we're just going to follow it round to the left. And we're going to pull up on the left. We'll get around the corner.
Where are we pulling up?
Just pull up on the left next to the cars.
Okay. Them falling.
Say again?
It feels like the car is falling sideways.
Probably the slant on the camber and the road.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Secure the car. All right. So on that left turn then, as you turn around, there's a van like that, wasn't there? Parked up on the other side, making it awkward. So as soon as you see things like that, just look beyond the problem.
Yeah.
A car's going round them, and it wasn't clear, and at that point it made you jump in it.
Yeah.
But it did get clear after that.
Yeah.
And you didn't
because
panic
I
too
looked,
much.
but it was I couldn't look that far. So yeah, I did panic a lot.
Are we happy?
Yes.
Yeah. Well done. So, if you like Sophie on a video and you want to see more of Sophie's videos, then put a comment below. Give us some words of encouragement. We've still got a lot to learn, haven't we? We'll see you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye.